If you're a woodworking enthusiast or a professional carpenter, an electric hand planer is an essential tool for achieving smooth and precise surfaces. These versatile and powerful tools can quickly remove material, shape edges, and level surfaces with ease. In this video, we'll be exploring a selection of the top 5 electric hand planers available on the market. We'll discuss their motor power, cutting depth, ease of use, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision with choosing the perfect hand planer for your woodworking projects. To learn more about the featured electric hand planers and where to purchase them, be sure to check the links in the description box. Now let's dive in. CRAFTSMAN CMEW 300 Hand Planer. The CRAFTSMAN CMEW 300 Hand Planer is the perfect solution for those tired of uneven cuts and a cluttered workspace. This electric hand planer features a heavy-duty 6-ampere motor that delivers smooth cuts in both hard and soft materials. Its 16,500 revolutions per minute ensures quick and efficient material removal for faster completion of tasks. The 11.5-inch cast aluminum shoe provides added control and ensures a better quality finish. Whether you're working on a small or large project, this hand planer will give you the precision and control you need. The dual-side dust extraction feature keeps your workspace cleaner by allowing extraction on either side of the tool. One of the standout features of this hand planer is the overmolded depth knob with 10 positive steps. It provides better control and allows for multiple depth settings, giving you the flexibility to achieve the desired results. Finally, it is a reliable and versatile tool that will make your woodworking projects easier and more enjoyable. BOSCH PL 1632 Hand Planer. The BOSCH PL 1632 Hand Planer is the ultimate tool for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. Featuring a robust 6.5-amp motor, a remarkable velocity of 16,500 revolutions per minute, and meticulously crafted aluminum shoes, this planer ensures consistently flawless outcomes with each glide. It's designed to handle a variety of woodworking tasks, making it a versatile addition to any workshop. A noteworthy attribute of this hand planer is its versatile lock-off release button, designed to prevent unintentional starts and promote safety for users of both right and left-handed orientations. Additionally, the lock-on button enables prolonged operation, augmenting convenience and providing enhanced control throughout its use. This planer incorporates a counterbalance blade design for precise cuts and utilizes the BOSCH wood razor blade for exceptional performance. The dual-mount guide fence and dust port add convenience by providing guidance and effective dust extraction. This hand planer prioritizes durability, incorporating a poly micro drive belt and a ball joint cord swivel to enhance longevity and maneuverability. With a 1-year limited warranty, you can confidently rely on this planer to withstand the demands of your woodworking projects. Ryobi HPL 52K Hand Planer. The Ryobi HPL 52K Hand Planer is a versatile and reliable tool that will enhance your woodworking projects. The adjustable depth feature of this planer enables effortless customization of cuts, offering a range from 0 to 1 by 8-inch precise, 1 by 96-inch increments. This level of adjustability ensures exceptional precision and versatility for your woodworking needs. The Grip Zone Overmold provides a comfortable and secure grip, even in slippery conditions, ensuring precise handling and control throughout your work. Safety is a top priority with the lock-off button, which prevents accidental activation and safeguards your work, equipment, and personal safety. The dual exhaust ports on either side of the unit give you the flexibility to choose the side from which the chips are blown out, depending on your preferred working position. This feature keeps your work area cleaner and more organized. In addition, the rear-mounted kickstand is a practical addition, preventing the planer from scuffing or damaging your work surfaces when not in use. It helps maintain the integrity of your projects and work environment. MAKITA 1806B Hand Planer. The MAKITA 1806B Hand Planer is a powerful and precise tool designed to meet the demands of professional construction framers, window and door installers, and fine woodworkers. This planer boasts a powerful 10.9-ampere motor and an impressive speed of 15,000 revolutions per minute, enabling effortless stock removal and significantly enhancing the speed and efficiency of your work. The high-speed steel planer blades ensure precise and accurate cuts, while the precision machined aluminum base provides stability for flawless planing results. Comfort is also a priority with the 1806B, featuring a comfortable handle, easy depth settings, and perfectly aligned front and back grips for maximum user comfort. The large and sturdy sole plate offers added stability during operation, and the lock-on button allows for continuous operation, reducing fatigue. The MAKITA 1806B hand planer is a must-have tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who value power, precision, and ease of use. Porter Cable PC60 THP hand planer. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional woodworker, the Porter Cable PC60 THP hand planer is the perfect tool, combining power, accuracy, and convenience to meet your project needs. Equipped with a robust 6 amperes motor, this hand planer effortlessly handles even the toughest materials, delivering impeccable and professional results. Its high speed of 16,500 revolutions per minute guarantees swift material removal, effectively saving you valuable time and effort throughout your woodworking projects. This hand planer offers the convenience of dual-side dust extraction, allowing you to choose the side for blowing chips based on your work position. The overmold depth knob with 10 positive steps gives you precise control over your cuts, enabling multiple depth settings for versatility. The inclusion of 3 chamfering grooves adds further versatility for edge chamfering, expanding your options for various woodworking tasks. The 11.5-inch cast aluminum shoe provides enhanced control and better finish quality, while the 5-die 64-inch depth of cut efficiently removes excess material. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the best electric hand planers. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the top options available to achieve smooth and precise surfaces in your woodworking projects. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out to us. We value your feedback and are here to help.